Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw customer insights from Klaviyo, full guide step by step clearly. Open your Klaviyo dashboard. Log into your account if you're not already signed in. Navigate to the Analytics section on the left sidebar. Select Metrics from the drop-down menu. Here, you will see a list of available metrics related to customer behavior. Choose the metric you want insights about. Click on it to view detailed analytics. You can filter the data using the options at the top of the page. Use the date range selection to specify the time frame for your insights. Explore the different views available, such as trends and segment. To dive deeper, click on segments in the left sidebar. Create a new segment based on specific criteria relevant to your insights. Use filters like email opened, placed order, or added to cart to refine your audience. Once your segment is created, click Create Segment. You can now analyze how this group of customers behaves. For more detailed insights, navigate to the Flows tab on the left sidebar. Select a flow you wish to analyze. Examine the flow reports to understand customer engagement. Look for metrics such as opened and clicked to gauge effectiveness. If needed, export this data by clicking on the Export option at the top right. Choose your desired export format, such as CSV or Excel. Wait for the download to complete. Now, you have extracted valuable customer insights from Klaviyo. Use these insights to inform your marketing strategies and improve customer engagement. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.